So yeah, guys, he's actually screwing in the screw.
Shubai, stop.
He's actually screwing it in.
Stop that.
So yeah, guys, he's actually putting in the other side, screwing it in. So that way it will be, tighten. Then you have to install the brake shoe after. The brake shoe will. So yeah, guys, he's actually installing the brake shoe. He's actually using it. So later, Bonnie will be buying new brake shoe. To get it straight, you actually want to put on 3 washers. The 3 there.
Yeah.
So yeah, you have to put the braces straight to get it tighten it. So yeah. So yeah, guys, he's actually installing the other side. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All these things that we installing, you can actually find them at Jude Bentley Bike Shop in Robb Street. So yeah. Shout out to Jude Bentley Bike Shop. Not sponsored. Please get to sponsor. And guys, take note, we only doing this just because of you guys. So please subscribe. Please. Now it's time to hook up the cable. Yeah. This actually have a lot of tension, very, And guys, make sure you have one of these. These go into the hole here. That way it will be good. And make sure you have the rubber. That will help to protect the system from any sand or anything. Then hook it up to the nut. Then you tighten. Don't want to get it too much to your rim. That way your rim, your wheel will not even move. It will be stuck there. So you want to get it a little away from the rim. Not too much on the rim. So yeah.
These 2 screws will adjust.
So actually guys, these 2 screw,
This one.
the screw right there, that little screw there, that is actually for adjusting if it actually on one side, you have to screw it in. Yes, you actually screw the other side,
Side out.
the other side out. Screw that other side out, so it will be in the middle.
The brakes.
So now we will be checking the brakes. See, very easy, very nice. And actually, guys, for you to get a good brake fall, you want to make sure the brake shoe is actually equal on the rim.
Tell me it was not equal, so
So
we have
it was actually not equal, so it wasn't given the right amount of, right amount of performance you want. So now it will be. So actually, guys, you see that? So yeah, guys, as you can see, the brake shoes actually
flush.
properly on the rim. So yeah, guys, this is actually test riding after the brakes was fixed.